I just found something that honestly shocked me. 2 YouTube channels that completely ignore shorts, and they are still pulling millions of views. I'm talking about long videos, 15 to 40 minutes, full survival stories, fully AI generated, cinematic, emotional, and absolutely crushing it. Look at this, Frozen Towns, around 80,000 subscribers. One video hit 8.8 million views, and that is not their only one. They have multiple uploads sitting in the millions. Then there's Family Advent, under 50,000 subscribers, still pulling millions of views with the same type of content, same niche, same freezing temperature thumbnails, same survival tension, same emotional twist at the end. This is not random. This is a repeatable storytelling machine. Extreme cold, wild animals, one vulnerable human, a life or death situation, and a title so intense you feel like you have to click. Now here's the crazy part. Today I'm going to show you how to create this exact style of long cinematic survival content using just one website, one platform. No complicated workflow, no jumping between 5 different tools, just one tool that does everything. First, go to Google and search for Katalist AI, or simply click the link in the description below. We are only going to use this platform, and I want to prove to you how powerful it actually is. Once you land on the homepage, click on New Project and create a new project. After that, you will see an option to create from an idea or from a script. If you already have a script prepared, you can paste it directly into the script section. But if you do not have one yet, that is completely fine. You can write your idea directly inside the platform. Just describe the story you want to tell. Maybe it is about a man surviving alone in the mountains. Maybe it is about building a hidden underground bunker. Maybe it is about surviving in a post-apocalyptic world. Be clear about your concept and let the system build around it. Below the idea section, you can choose how many scenes your video will have. The platform allows you to select anywhere from 5 scenes all the way up to 50 scenes. This is extremely important if you want to create long-form content. The more scenes you generate, the more detailed and extended your story becomes. This is exactly how those viral survival channels are able to produce long immersive videos. After you finish writing your idea, click Generate Script. The platform will automatically transform your concept into a structured script. It will organize the story, create progression, and break it down into scenes. Once the script appears, do not just accept it immediately. Take your time, read through it, edit it, refine the dialogue, adjust the pacing, add more tension, remove anything that feels unnecessary. This is where you shape the identity of your channel. When you are satisfied with the script, click Next. Now you will move to the visual style selection. If you want your video to look realistic and cinematic, choose the cinematic style. This will give your scenes a more dramatic and film-like atmosphere. After that, select the format. For long YouTube videos, landscape is usually the best choice because it fits the platform perfectly. Then click Proceed to Cast. In this section, you will see the characters that will appear in your story. This is where things become even more powerful. You can customize the characters in detail, change their age, adjust their outfit, modify their body type, refine their overall appearance so it matches your survival concept. If your story is set in the wilderness, make sure the character looks rugged and realistic. Small details like this can significantly improve the final result. Once you are satisfied with the characters, click Create Project. The system will begin generating your storyboard. After a short processing time, your script will be transformed into visual scenes. This is where you gain even more control. You can rearrange the order of scenes, delete scenes that do not fit, edit specific visuals, add new scenes if needed. Think of this as your editing room before the final production. Make sure the flow feels natural, cinematic, and engaging. When everything looks right, click Create Video. You will then be taken to the timeline page. Here, review everything again. Check the pacing. Make sure the transitions make sense. Ensure the story builds tension and keeps the viewer watching. Once you are confident in the structure, click Generate Video. Choose the video type you prefer and let the platform process your project. After a short wait, your full AI-generated survival video will be ready. A long-form cinematic video created without filming a single frame yourself. No travel, no camera setup, no physical production, just an idea transformed into visual storytelling through AI. Now imagine the possibilities. You can build an entire survival channel around different scenarios: mountain survival, desert survival, jungle survival, post-apocalyptic shelter building, hidden bunker construction. Each video can be long, immersive, and monetizable. And because long-form content often generates higher watch time, the revenue potential becomes even more interesting. The AI content era is evolving. It is no longer limited to short clips and quick trends. It is expanding into full-length cinematic storytelling that can compete in the long-form space. The opportunity right now is massive, but only for those who are willing to experiment and take action. If this video helped you understand the potential of AI in a deeper way, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is Reach Mora, and I will see you in the next video.